Hi there, De-Crypt back again with another quick news update for you. This one is pretty exciting. The last week or so has been very quiet on the Dignity token front, and people have been getting a little bit despondent and a little bit negative in the Telegram groups and the Bitcoin Talk forum, and it has caused quite a lot of negativity, and the price dropped quite a bit. There's been a little bit of volatility, which has been possible to trade, and I've done okay out of it. But last night I got caught, let's just say, out of the market by quite a surprise. As you can see on the screen in front of me, I have an update from Arbitrade. As you know, Arbitrade is part of the one business. Cryptobontix and Arbitrade are sort of one consortium. Arbitrade is going to be the decentralized blockchain-based exchange, and Cryptobontix is the holder of the coins and all of that. Yesterday, or last night, quite late for me anyway, we had an update come out in the form of a news broadcast from Arbitrade. I'm going to read it to you quickly, and then I'm going to show you what effect it had on the market within 20 minutes. As you can see here, this is an official Arbitrade news release, and I'm going to read it to you quickly. New York, March the 5th, 2018, Globe Newswire. Arbitrade Exchange Incorporated, a cryptocurrency merchant exchange and point-of-sale system, has announced the company has taken a major step forward in commencing its mining infrastructure. Arbitrade said it had engaged CoinMiner LLC to source and provide 65,000 new and used mining units over the next 24 months. Their proprietary G-series mining units that are configured with NVIDIA and AMD chips achieving 275 mega hashes at 1.2 watts each will amount to 50% of the units Arbitrade have agreed through this contract. The additional ASIC miners that CoinMiner sources will help cover a wide range of different algorithms, a source from a variety of manufacturers. CoinMiner brings over 5 years of experience in industrial-sized mining operations, infrastructure, and design. The company has offices in Cleveland, Ohio, New York City, Miami, and Shenzhen, China. And its global presence enables it to source equipment from manufacturers and suppliers with great facility. Arbitrade's management were able to report they were able to fulfill its requirement with a speed and efficiency unmatched by any of the other companies they had contacted, and said that CoinMiner has commenced sourcing the 65,000 units to fulfill the large contract Arbitrade is seeking to be completed in the next 24 months. 65,000 mining units. Meanwhile, Arbitrade reported it has commenced a 15-year lease agreement with Cryptobontix Incorporated, an Ontario company that will work with CoinMiner LLC on behalf of Arbitrade to build Canada's largest mining facility in Watford, Ontario, Canada, which will house the 65,000 mining units. CoinMiner will design and oversee the additional infrastructure at the Watford facility, which will consume 95 megawatts of power. These guys are not playing here. This is huge stuff. The Cryptobontix Incorporated Watford property is a 100,000 square foot industrial warehouse property with 16 additional acres that was previously a metals manufacturing facility. This lease agreement marks the first of 4 facilities Arbitrade plans to open over the next 36 months with Cryptobontix Incorporated and CoinMiner LLC. These mining units will commence operations for Arbitrade's decentralized exchange and also commence operations for Cryptobontix Incorporated's bullion and cryptocurrency mining-backed tokens. Arbitrade also reported it purchased 1,550 mining units from CoinMiner, Bitmain, Hailong, Canada Computers, and others to date, which CoinMiner LLC will commence immediately at the new mining operations. Len Schutzman, chairman of Arbitrade, commented on the agreement of CoinMiner, said, "This agreement will significantly accelerate our growth and catapult Arbitrade into one of the top positions in the cryptocurrency mining sector. Arbitrade, through its proprietary software and strategic partnership, plans to be in all segments of the cryptocurrency business, including currency mining, trading, That is the Arbitrade exchange, gift cards, debit cards, money transfer, and point of sale processing. Now all of this stuff is still in the works. They do have a debit card. It's going to be a prepaid debit card, which will be a first for the industry. You will be able to use this card wherever any Visa or MasterCard is accepted, just like any other debit card or credit card. But it won't be a credit card. You will not be able to spend money you don't have. But let's get back to these mining rigs. They're talking about 65,000 mining rigs. Now, let's think about that for a second. The size of the warehouse and the infrastructure needed to run these kind of things is absolutely enormous. These guys are not playing around, and from this, I think the market is now seeing that these guys are not here to pump and dump. They're not here to make a quick buck. These guys are here to launch something huge. They have had some problems due to some information being leaked too early, and has caused them, let's just say, a little bit of panic to catch up. But these guys are working flat out and they are making progress. Now, like I said earlier, the markets, or rather the sentiment, the market sentiment has been fairly negative the last couple of days. People have been, you've seen the word scam used all over the place. Certain names have been thrown around and associating Cryptobontix, Arbitrade, and other businesses to certain names and scams. Those people are all quiet now. Let me show you quickly what happened to the markets within 20 minutes of this news broadcast coming out. As you can see, the price rose within a few minutes by probably close to 30%. I'm looking at the percentage gains here. This is 35%. That's the DIG BTC pair. The DIG USD also rose 35%. The DIG ETH pair rose 23.78%, and the DIG Litecoin pair rose 35.89%. This is crazy. It is now reached, I see this morning, it is now reached a high, or not an all-time high, but a high for quite a while of 0.50 and 901 Bitcoin per token. It hasn't seen these levels for quite a while. Let's just take a look at the Bitcoin USD pair. At the moment, we are trading at 10.2 cents. We are approaching all-time highs here. It's getting close. As I said in the beginning, I was caught a little bit unawares last night. I've been sort of swing trading the little bit of volatility that it's had, and I have managed to make myself a couple of thousand tokens in the meantime. But I was caught last night. I sold at I was trading the Dignity BTC pair, and I sold at 0.72, and as we've seen, it has gone way beyond that, and I'm now starting to doubt that it'll ever come down to levels that are going to make it profitable to get back in. But get back in I will, because I know there's still plenty profits to be made. I might lose a little bit. I'm pretty sure we're going to go through a phase now where we're going to have 2 days, maybe 3 days with no news. The market's going to settle down, the price will drop slightly, and I'm going to get back in. This is looking great, people. Like I said before, this is genuine, this is going to happen, and this is going to be huge. Let's not mess about here. The best thing to do with these coins is to hodl them at the moment, because, as I said, you don't know when this news is going to come out, and you've got literally minutes to get into the market after that happens. Because after that, the chances of you getting back in again at a profit are next to nothing. I'm doubting that I'm going to be able to get back in with a profit from the one trade I am involved in. At the moment, I'm stuck out of the market, but that's not a problem. I'm sure there's plenty profits to be made still. So people, this is looking good. We're on the road to success here. Let's get out there and make some money. Till next time, like, subscribe, put your comments in the comment section. Let's hear what you've got to say. Cheers.